There's a possibility that we won't get to see any more Galaxy S or Galaxy Note devices after the Galaxy S10. We get listings for the Galaxy Watch, which tell us the screen size and other features. And remember that phone that brought 16 cameras? Yeah, I don't either, but it seems they want to do it again. I'm Jaime Rivera, happy Friday, and for those of you asking for more videos on the Spanish channel that are different to the Diario, there will be more this weekend. Stay tuned. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with statistics. It seems that Huawei is getting very close to beating Apple in iPhone sales. And you know, that's rather interesting given how many more phones are sold by Huawei. But yeah, the company is closing into 100 million phones. And last quarter, they nearly reached Apple with the amount of shipments that they sold. It seems that the P20 and P20 Pro are making a huge dent, up to the point where I want another review unit and I still can't get one. We'll see how it fares out over time. Now, for those of you that joined me in not remembering that Lite smartphone that launched with 16 cameras lately, well, it seems that the company wants to do it again. They've got funding from Softbank. There's a partnership with Leica. We hear that they plan to do something really cool that will be launched with Sprint at some point, because SoftBank and Sprint, you know that. The thing about it is, we wonder if we're still going to retain the same 52 megapixel resolution out of 16 cameras at a time when the Huawei P20 Pro can do 40 megapixels. We'll see what the case. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch lineup. There are some leaks that show that there are two watches. One of them is apparently going to be regular with a 1.19-inch display, and then the other one is going to be an LTE watch that's going to have a larger display. What operating system is coming? Man, companies continue fumbling around with the rumors. We'll see what happens in the end. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy Tab S4. And I know I rarely cover information about other tablets because none of these sell, but it seems that Apple is not the only company that wants to bet in facial recognition when it comes to tablets. We heard the rumors of the iPad Pro bringing Face ID. Now we hear that the Galaxy Tab S4 is going to bring iris scanning. And we wonder if that's going to be some sort of an improvement to what we've seen with the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note lineup, which hasn't been that great. Whatever the case may be, oh my God, I wish Android tablets sold, like seriously. And finally, the hot rumors today have to do with Samsung and the future of its flagship lineups, as we've got two sources claiming two different things about what's going to happen in the future. If you know, well, the Galaxy Note 7 tarnished the Note brand, and even if the Note 8 sold well, the Galaxy S9 didn't. So it seems that Samsung is considering a couple of possibilities. In one, the Galaxy S lineup dies, and we don't know what the Galaxy flagship name is going to be going forward. In another, we hear that the Galaxy Note line is going to die, but it's going to merge into the S line, and then the Galaxy X branding will be the other flagship smartphone or tablet or whatever that combination is going to be. Whatever the case may be in today's question, let us know. What do you think that Samsung should do? Should it kill the Note, call it the Galaxy S Pro, which would be my recommendation? Or do you think that the Galaxy Note lineup should remain and the Galaxy S should die and probably the S Pen works on different screen sizes? Oh man, if the S Pen would work on different screen sizes and we call them all Notes, I feel that that would be cool, but I also feel that the Galaxy Note is more of a Pro of the S, and then the Galaxy X is more of that vanguard smartphone, according to rumors. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel as well for more videos like this one. There are other episodes of the Pocketnow Daily as well this week, in addition to the Pocketnow Diario that you can link on. And you can also follow us on social media and follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.